Alright class, this one looks a little different. What we're going to do here is, again, solve for x. The first step in doing this problem, we want to get x by itself, so we're going to divide by 2. And I get sine squared 2x equals 1/2. And we have that squared symbol there. So now we're going to take the square root of both sides. So you get sine of 2x equals, again, remember this, plus or minus 1/2. And I suppose I should at this point talk about this difference in this problem compared to all the other problems we're doing. Just treat this for now like it's just an x. Okay, so solve for this problem just like you did all the other problems. Try to get this by itself, and don't worry about this until the last part. So at this point, it's sine, so we're going to look between 0 and 360. Between 0 and 360, when do we get, I suppose I should finish this off. This would be square root of 1 over the square root of 2, which would be 1 over the square root of 2, which would be square root of 2, square root of 2, square root of 2 over 2, plus or minus. Okay, so we're going to try and find out all the times that sine of an angle, treat this just like it's an angle, even though it's 2 times x, it's just a single angle. We're going to find all the times that we get either plus square root of 2 over 2 or minus square root of 2 over 2 between 0 and 360. And then instead of just x equals, we're going to put 2x equals. So the first time this happens is at 45 degrees. And I'm going to leave myself a little bit more room than normal here. The second time this happens is at 135, because that's a positive square root of 2 over 2. The third time this happens is at 225. That's negative square root of 2 over 2. And then the fourth time this happens is at 315. To each of these, we're going to add 360n, just like all the other problems we've been doing so far. And I'm adding 360 because sine repeats every 360 degrees. Okay, because its period is 360 degrees. If this was tangent or cotangent, I would just be adding 180n, but this is sine. The last step to solve for x is to divide every term by 2. Okay, so that would be x equals 22.5 plus 180n. 135 divided by 2 is, so this would be x equals 67.5 plus 180n. This would be x equals 112.5 plus 180n. Lastly, we'll get x equals 157.5 plus 180n. So these are your 4 answers for this problem.